Today we are gonna show you how we make bee traps. What bee trap is? It's empty box with 3 or 4 old frames. Old frames look like this. They were used so many times, and the queen gave birth so many times, of course. And these cells are getting smaller, and we don't want to have small bees and less space for honey. So after some time we use them, we melt all these frames, but before we melt them, we can use them one last time for a bee trap. Why we make this bee trap now? In spring, they want to expand their colony. How they do this? Old queen gives an order to make a new queen. When this new queen is ready, old queen with some population leaves, and they are gonna try to find other house, other home. First 24 hours, maybe less, maybe more, the queen usually hangs on a tree. Other bees gather around her, so they protect her, and during this, they're still looking for a new house. And what is better for them than our box?
Cool.
So let's get into more details. This is how it should look like. We put three or four for beginning. Next to them we put this block which we put here. This block is all. It's kind of material like polystyrene or something like that. It keeps these bees warm and they feel more comfortable. Now let's go to the trick. How we help these bees come into our box. The trick is to put some smell inside of this box, and this smell attracts bees to come inside. You can find so many products out there in shops. We use something what smells like lemon because bees like this smell, and you can put it in some paper or some piece of cotton, anything you like, anything what you want, and just put it inside, and hopefully it will work. So last thing is to find place where to put the trap. Usually it should be somewhere 2-3 meters up. It would be perfect to have it on a tree. Come with me to take a look to see where we have our bee traps. See, they are really high. It's like really 2-3 meters, and we already have 2 full boxes with bees there. And this is other trap. As you can see, we have already bees there. It's a good place to have it on tree, and we were successful.